how are you? This is Leslie and I'm so happy for another video, and also because I'm gonna be doing another haul. So I ordered some clothing from Romwe, and so I didn't know about this online store. I've only shopped from Shein, which is a similar brand. And so I was on my computer, I was kind of bored, so I was like, okay, like ad came up on my laptop, and so I was like, okay, maybe I should give it a try. And so I started like going like through the web page, and then I saw they had like really good discounts. Like most of the things that I bought were under $6. But anyways, I hope that you really like this video. I'm so excited for it. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so in the button down below and activate the notifications button so you don't miss any of my next videos. And yeah, there's gonna be really cool videos coming up, so subscribe. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So this will be kind of like an unboxing because I just picked it up from the mailbox and I'm gonna open it with you guys. And hopefully the light is good because it's 7:42 and I'm filming right now and I don't have my lights with me. So pray for this video that it comes out really nice and good quality. And I think it's smaller than I expected. It has like a little heart on the bottom. So I think I'm gonna leave this on and keep going with the things that I ordered. So that was it for like accessories. So for this trip, I actually only brought like 5 pair of socks, and I'm going to the gym every day. So I've been like using them all, so I feel like I needed more. So I got this 4 pair of socks, and I think they're so pretty because like this part of the socks, they are transparent, so like fancy, like very classy. So it looks something like this. I can say they don't feel like they're the best quality, and I feel like they're gonna rip very soon, but they're gonna do their job, and they were 99 cents, so I think it was a good price for this. And now to my favorite part, which is the clothing. So I ordered, like you saw, like 5 or 6 shirts, so I'm gonna try them on and I'm gonna tell you my honest review on them, and how the sizes come with this kind of clothing. So I'm first starting with this white shirt. the quality actually feels really nice. It's like cotton and polyester. It doesn't have a tag though. And I actually chose this shirt because I live in Orlando, so I'm really close to Disney, and this shirt says making magic happen. So I feel like I can totally wear it to Disney and rock it out. And I love these sleeves that have like this folded detail here. So let's go try it on. This actually fits really nice. I ordered it on a size large, and I'm usually a medium size, so I would recommend to size it up a little bit, although it is like kind of like big here, but otherwise it is really nice. I totally love like this quote that this has on. I'm not even gonna take this off, and I'll just jump into the next shirt that I ordered, and it is this one right here. So I was looking, oh, this bag actually says Shein, so I guess they're like affiliated or something, but this doesn't look like what I saw on the website, and it's huge. So like, remember I told you that I had to size this one up, so I did the same thing for this one, but this is huge. I don't think this is gonna fit me. I'm probably gonna have to return it. And then this is like really low quality. And there were also 0 reviews on this shirt, but it doesn't look like the picture at all. I'm gonna try to insert it here, so you guys can see what it looks in the website and what it looks here. So I'm gonna try this on anyways and let you know more about it. Well, actually in the camera it doesn't look that bad, but I feel like in person I don't like it, and this part like it's very itchy. But this is what it looks like here. I don't know if I should like keep it or return it. It was like $5.99 I think anyways, but I don't know, and it's not formal at all. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Now moving on, I'm so excited for the next shirt that I'm showing you guys, because when I saw it on the website I was like, oh, this is so pretty, like I need to get it. And I've been dying for like yellow clothing, so the next shirt that I'm gonna show you is a yellow shirt, and they do come very small. I don't know if I like this, because the bottom is like they literally just cut it. It's kind of like bad quality. So I don't know what to think about this shirt, because I have some high-waist shorts, some black high-waist shorts, so I feel like I could wear this with them, but I feel like it's way too small, so I'm probably gonna have to return it. But I really love like this detail that it has here, which is like some cactus. I'm not used to wearing crop tops anyway, so I feel like I'm gonna have to try it with my high-waist shorts and see how that looks like, and if I like it then I'll just keep it. And last but not least, another kind of like formal shirt. It's a button shirt, and I saw it on the website and I fell in love with it as well. And the quality doesn't seem that nice. And I don't know how this is supposed to go. You guys will judge the bow that I did because I couldn't see anything, so I don't know if that turned out nice or not. But I think I like this shirt. I think it's very nice, and I can actually like tuck it in my jeans and make like this cool outfit. Thumbs up. And the material, like I thought at the beginning that it felt like kind of cheap, but it's actually like a very light material, so for hot weather I think it will be really nice. So I don't know what you guys think, and I don't know like if the buttons should be like all the way up or like something more like open like this. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the video with wearing this shirt because I really liked it. And yeah, I hope that you guys really like this video, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I think by the end of this video, like the quality was kind of like because the sun was coming down. Like I said, it's already kind of late, but I really wanted to film this video as soon as possible because I was so excited to show you guys what I got and my opinion on Romwe, since this is my first time shopping with them. But yeah, I hope that you really like this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to do so in the button down below. And I'm also gonna give you all my social media links in the description box. You can check them out. I'm gonna be uploading so many cool things. Anyways, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for